Hey guys, Mr. Horton here with virtual backup lessons for Studio Art 1, Studio Art 2, and film appreciation and cinematography. Hey guys, Mr. Horton here. So again, this is going to be the second time we are doing the grid method, but eventually this is going to have a focus on color instead of shadow. So again, your process. First, you are picking your source image. Okay, and again, you are picking your source image via color variation. So I have this image here to show you examples. So the top image of Homer has only one color variation. This is not a good choice. The bottom left image has two color variations. So you'll see like in the yellow, there's like a darker yellow and a lighter yellow. This is a better choice. Now the best choice is the bottom right one, which has three color variations, which you will notice in the yellow again. There is a dark, there is a light, and there is also a white light reflection. So it's three different colors in those areas that you could work with the color examples. The one I picked is this anime image. Again, I said if you guys are gravitating towards doing anime stuff, maybe look up covers to manga. They tend to be pretty colorful and fun and too color variated. All right, so this is my example. Now I gridded your examples and I shared them with you via an email to my drive where you're going to download them. And so you should have a gridded version of your source image that looks like this. It's not color desaturated, it's just a colored one with the grid. Now, going to actually making the grid. Again, you have your piece of paper. You're going to orient it in the same way that the picture is oriented, so horizontal or vertical. You're going to remove the perforated edge. You're going to put check marks using your ruler at every ½ inch, going entirely around the border of the paper. You're going to do line-to-line drawing with lines going from one side to the other one, putting the ruler at one check mark and another check mark. You're going to do that both ways. You're going to put in a slightly darker border on the outside edge. You're going to put in X's at the corners. You're going to put in numbers and letters. And finally, you're going to draw your picture in the same way that we drew our picture for the first grid method assignment. You're just going to go box to box. It's going to be only line, no shadow, no color, just the drawing. You're going to erase the grid on the inside. It is optional if you want to, if you have to erase the grid on the outside of the thing, it could stay. But if you keep it, it has to be completely drawn in on the outside. It can't be half erased, half kept. It's either you fully keep it or you fully erase the outside one. All right. So the next project grade 3, is going to be the dry drawing of your picture on the grid, like my picture looks right now, submitted to me. This is going to be due in about a week from me posting this video, okay, to Google Classroom. All right, and again, I am not doing a separate grade for just the application of the grid on the paper because you guys kind of get it at this point. All right, any questions, email me.